Hello everyone, it's Ben. Today I want us to see how we can use Senior Computer Services International online learning platform. Write on your browser learning.scsinternational.org or visit our website under services under Senior Computer Services International. You come to any center, it can be Kampala or Masaka, and then you visit the website. Or you can click just here and it takes you to our website. Then you click here, Student Access Center. So when you reach here you can log in into your account. For instance, you're a student, you log in into your account. Let me log in. Then you click login. So when you click login and it takes you here, you can just click home. When you click home, here you are able to access quiz available. Here you are able to access live classes. If you have any class, you can click here and then you view that class that is available. Then here you are able to access the courses available, which you can enroll to. Here is the balance that I have on my account. Then this is home. We can use this feature to search for anything we want. For instance, digital marketing. If you are not able to see that course, you just come here, then you click enter. That course will come, that information will come. Here you can select a category. Then down here, you can receive your free course from here. We have free courses of which you can access them from here. They are there. If you have a certificate with us, you can verify it from here. If you want to deposit money on your account, you can do it from here. Sorry. Here you get your app. Here you can deposit. Here you refer friend. You can refer friend from here. So those are the various ways. Those are the various features. Under your account, you can view courses, quiz, live classes, certificates, purchase, deposit, and others. Thank you for your time.